You know, while our Fiesta beans are busy in the pressure canner, this beautiful Nesco pressure canner, I thought I would show you how to mix up some of the Fiesta ranch mix for yourself. Now, you might be like me where you're going to get all excited about having this recipe for beans, and then you go to the store and you cannot find the Fiesta ranch mix. It is difficult to find, and as I mentioned earlier in the video where I show you how to can these beans, I'll put that right up here, I'm not sure where it's going to be, but those Fiesta packets, they could be about $1.79 a piece. I'm going to show you how to make the mix for a fraction of the cost. You'll keep it on hand in the pantry. You can make these beans, you can make other beautiful Mexican dishes or dips. So delicious mixed in with a block of cream cheese. Let's get started. I'll show you how to make this. I have a little mixer here. It's a little blender. Now, you don't have to blend this if you don't want to. You can simply add all of the ingredients, mix it well with a fork, and then put it into an airtight container. I like mixing mine up. I don't like the bigger chunks of parsley and such. I like to make it a nice fine mix. So we're going to start with 1/2 cup parsley. Now, you know, as I gathered all of my ingredients together to make this with you today, I realized it's time for me to hit the Amish market again because I'm running low on my spices. So when we head on out to the Amish markets, I'll be sure to do a video and show you our Amish haul. I did one a little over a year ago. I'll put the icard to that up there so you can see what we got during that trip to the Amish market. We're going to start with 1/2 cup of parsley flakes. And they have such great prices out at the Amish market. I got this container full of parsley for $1.60. I can't even pay for the electricity to dehydrate it if I grow it on my own. So I get it out at the Amish market. Next, we're going to have 1/3 cup of dried minced onions. I purchased these online. We get them in large bags, but they're very handy. We really enjoy having them. Next, we have 1/4 cup of dried chives. So I've got my chives right here, and this is one where I know that I'm running low. I need to go back to the Amish market and get more, but there's 1/4 cup. And if you've dehydrated, you know how much it takes just to get that 1/4 cup. Next, we have 1/4 cup of cumin. This is some cumin that I had put aside in an old spice jar, but it lets me know I need to go back to the Amish market because I'm out of cumin. Cumin is so pungent and delicious. I'm just going to throw the whole thing in there. It's close enough to 1/4 cup, and I need to plan a trip to the market. Save your jars though. Save your little spice jars. I don't keep it for all kinds of stuff. Next, we have 1/3 cup of chili powder. This is a beautifully rich, dark chili powder that I got out at the Amish market. And we want 1/3 cup. Look at that deep, dark color. It's not red, it's brown. So delicious. Now next we want to add some salt. Don't use table salt or iodized salt. You want to either use canning salt or the pink Himalayan salt, especially if you're going to be canning with it, which in this case we do. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons in. And the pink Himalayan salt is so beautiful. Gosh, that's a pretty salt. I'll put a link in the description box below to where we get our salt. Redmond, so good. Well, now that we have everything in our container here, and look at, isn't that beautiful? It looks like art. Look at that, gorgeous. We're gonna put our lid on. This is just a little mixer. It's gonna pulverize this and make this into a beautiful mix. It's a workout. Now that we have this all ground up, use your canning funnel. Get yourself a nice clean mason jar. I love these 1.5 pints. I haven't been able to find them in over 2 years now, but I love it when I'm able to use them. You can also use your spaghetti jars or jelly jars. Don't throw those away. Use them. We don't need to vacuum seal this, so there's no reason why you can't just put it in a jar and seal it with a regular top. Ooh, that cumin. So good. Now, if you don't have one of these little gadgets to mix up all of your spices, you can use a coffee grinder if you like. Well, like I said, you don't even have to grind it down. It's just something that I prefer. So keep this in the pantry. It will store until you use it all up, and then you can make some more. I think I really do prefer using the lighter chili. When I go buy chili, I'll get some more that's more red, so it doesn't make it so dark. Kind of changes the look of your beans when they get done, but it's delicious nonetheless. I just love it. If you like this recipe, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you've made something similar, comment in the comments below and let me know, what do you like to use it in. Well, that's all for now. This is going in the pantry. My beans are going to keep pressure canning, and we'll see you next time here on the farm. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.